Today we got the Profit Sport Mini Charger, multi-chemistry charger. Has LiPo, Li-Fi, lithium high voltage, and nickel metal. This has different options as far as your amps. One thing you want to know about your batteries, this is a 3-cell LiPo battery, 5200 milliamp, 50C, 3-cell. The 11.1 is one telltale sign, as well as your different plugs. You can have 4 different plugs, 1 negative and 3 positives for your plug. And the simple way to use this charger is, this is 5200. The most amps you can do is 4 amps on this charger, so that's where you'd stop. If this was an 1800 like our nickel metal pack here, you'd be 1.8 amps, so you're safe to say put it on 1 amp and charge it there. To charge a LiPo with this charger, you simply just plug in your plugs all the way. This only charges 2, 3, or 4 cell. This is a 3 cell, so you're going to plug in the 3 cell spot right here. Now this battery charger is going red and green. That means the charger is ready to charge. Red and green blinking means that it's ready to charge. Push and hold the button on the LiPo setting because the LiPo battery, it's solid red. Blinking red, well, it is blinking red. It means the battery capacity is between 25% and 50% charged. If it's yellow, that means the battery capacity is 51% to 75%. And if it's green blinking, the battery capacity is between 76% and 99% charged. A solid green LED means that the battery is fully charged. So that's for this guy here. That means that guy's charging. If you unplug it or break, it's gonna start blinking like that because of the break. So now if you want to charge a nickel metal battery like this one here, this one is an 1800 milliamp pack. This one you can charge at 1 amp, because if you basically put the comma right here, you just act like that's a decimal, so it'll be 1.8 amps if you have a charger that can adjust that far. This one does not. This being a $30 basic charger, it only goes 1, 2, 3, or 4 amps. So for this guy here, you would just change it to where it says nickel metal, NIMH. Plug in your battery. So your battery's sitting here. Push and hold the button, and it's solid red. So that means that the battery is at the 25% charge mark. Again, 25% for solid red. Red LED blinking means 25 to 50%. Battery yellow blinking means the capacity is 51% to 75%. And green LED blinking is 76 to 99%, and a solid green would be fully charged. Also, if you're going to do different other batteries, this also does life and lithium high voltage. The same basic things apply, whether it be a Li-Fi, lithium high voltage, nickel metal, or LiPo. If you don't know what the battery is that you have, you can look on the battery. If it does not state what it is, I would strongly recommend consulting with your local hobby shop or your place of purchase in order to confirm what that battery chemistry is, so you get the proper chemistry for the battery. If you don't charge them correctly, you can have a very large fire. Whole lot of safety instructions that come with chargers and batteries and everything else. I highly recommend reading that information and getting that information and using it. Enjoy the next video.